Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. AmaZulu 0, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Lovers.
Stivo Shaposi.
I give that.
Stivo.
Yeah.
What's AmaZulu harapera bare nkosi ya makhosi.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
Nkosi
Yeah, Marcus.
ya makhosi.
Sure.
Stivo, we've seen this movie before. This is a joke.
Effing.
But a beautiful joke.
Which movie?
Yeah, Orlando Pirates.
Go guys.
Sitting on top. Yeah, the first half of the season they did it.
Yes.
They sat on top.
You did.
And they went to number 2.
Yeah.
Found themselves on number 3.
Yeah.
And then they are back again on the top.
Yes.
So it comes back to this thing, Horace Tibo. You can wake up Uludi.
Yeah.
And then Aurobala happy.
Oh,
it's a problem.
Yeah,
We've seen this
give
movie
her.
before,
Give
Steve.
her. It happens.
It happens.
Even last season.
Yeah. Congratulations
Even
to Orlando Pirates, Steve. They've done well.
True.
To be 5 points clear from Amakosi for life.
Oh.
No, but it's the truth. They are 5 points ahead of us. And so many goals that I don't even want to get into because it's a bit embarrassing. The goal difference. Ne? But here's the thing, Stibo.
Yeah.
We've played with Pirates before. And we've won against those guys.
Yeah, give her.
So the reason I'm not even shaking, it's because the league is not gone.
I survive.
Yeah, the league is a flea market, Steve.
Yeah.
No, AmaZulu deserved to win, but we all know AmaZulu doesn't deserve to be part of the big 3. There can only be 3 teams. Tailoring the big 3.
Yeah, fair.
And that's Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, and Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamela the sequence. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, and Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, that is the sequence. No, that's the sequence, Tibo. But other than that, Tibo, I think we saw beautiful football.
Yes.
Yeah, we cannot take it away from those guys.
Yeah.
Bafana ba batletse. I think vele ke phamisetsa tshepa mo remi ya hola. Ke ntwana kasi.
Yeah.
Ne ntwane e blind.
Sure.
E dlala disc.
Yeah.
It also comes back to this thing ya hore I wish Cedric Kaze could actually allow Cedric Kaze and Uwadu can actually allow ntwana tse tsenyane.
Yeah.
Ebe tsona tse dlala ntabing.
Yeah.
We are going to get interesting football.
Yeah, true.
Take experience and leave it outside. It's fine. Yeah, ngana wa kenya bo Cash Makaula wa kenya bo Zita Kunika.
Yeah.
Just to balance. Yeah, just to balance but just for that
core
konyana but yeah, the entertainment comes from Botshepa Moremi, Bomfuke, Bo Vela Pai. Exactly.
They are
why would I then? So if you give us if they give us Ntwana Tsenyane to play that kind of football, Gadi 2080,
sure.
It's going to be very interesting.
The most entertaining time.
Why bother?
Yeah.
Steve, I think I'll get a naturena da who cabinet the trophy.
Sure.
There's a beautiful silver trophy at Witzinda. Kia Nedbank.
Oh yeah.
Steve, it's not going anywhere.
It do it. Permanent.
Yeah, it's permanent. Yeah, people think it's going somewhere.
Hey.
No. If you are yo bo sister ba lo clean ba ne ba polish ba dust but it's not leaving. Yeah, but it's not leaving. No, Steve, the only cup Eloring he's shocked.
He shocked as well.
And there's the camera there.
Exactly. Steve, there's the camera there. Abdul.
That's the camera.
Yeah. No, Stibo, Bankile Black Label All Star, and they mistaken it for Nedbank.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
It's different.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
It's sitting comfortably, go higher.
Yeah.
It's polished now. Yeah, but when it benke batlile bara, can you please polish it for us so that we see it?
Let it shine.
Yeah, so that it shines.
Yeah.
Mara, it has to shine for the camera, not for other teams.
That's right.
Exactly.
That's
Steve.
right.
So it was shining for the camera,
It's right.
not for other people.
Yeah, I
Steve.
right.
Yeah, so it's comfortably sitting for us, Steve.
Yeah.
Other than that, Steve, a big team is playing tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, the country,
the biggest.
the country is
biggest.
playing.
The biggest.
The country is playing.
ANC.
Fumani bo. Yeah, Makosi. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all up here.
No. So, the national team is playing. No, not Bafana. The authentic national team, Stibo.
The original.
The original. Kaiser Achievers.
Yeah. Man. I remember that picture.
Yeah. Oh, and then someone said Gulia Nelly Lebo. It's like they were no, not even. They think already he was crossing it to Velapai. Handlandli, Mutoli, Ona Chatla bottle Amstel. He was showing his capabilities, or he can actually break an Amstel bottle. With that kick.
Yeah, that's kill everything.
That's killing everything.
Yeah.
The capabilities are there. Yeah.
Hey.
Babang haba fetola stadium di arena. Rona we were practicing how to break bottles to Amstel. See, other than that, congratulations to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
For this win. Yeah, I get what's about, but sometimes when it's too hot, you cannot hold the umbrella for yourself. You need someone to just hold it for you. I think you are feeling too hot still. Are you fine? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates is just... Thank you, Steve. But the sequence still remains. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates,
Sundowns.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Before Vala was usually net banking in Chaga. Barinka loan fella 2,000 to 50,000. Auga kora motuka loan combination. Bauka yone man. Just like that. Whatever I didn't mean. How have interest rate? How have next?
Massive.
Lelepo ke number man.
99.
99. Batlonka 98 wanthora. Okanga fela loan ya 9,000 baka vele barala bazinke.
Yeah, plus I mean. Plus the only person with the capability of scoring.
Kilele. We saw him.
So I think maybe we should go to net.
Hey, we have to pechanga lile.
Yeah, get ourselves maybe 9 Kenyan.
Diamond okora di khoni.
Exactly. No, outside the stadium. Let's get it right. Yeah, from the dressing room. No, I think I will
try it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you.